The evolution of home design has bid farewell from cramped, box-like rooms and embraced the concept of open floor plans. This modern approach not only adds a unique charm to homes, but also has a significant impact on energy efficiency. Let's delve into how open floor plans influence the energy efficiency of your living space. In the realm of the modern home design, the term open floor plan is a buzzword used by architects and builders alike. This approach revolves around minimizing interior walls and creating a seamless flow between living spaces. With open floor plans, your home interior enjoys a natural and harmonious connection, but its impact on the energy efficiency goes far beyond aesthetics. One of the most common noticeable advantages is the influx of natural light. Absence of internal walls allows daylight to permeate every corner, drastically reducing the need for artificial light during the day. Open floor plans also promote better air circulation, sometimes referred to as green plans. Improved airflow within the home lessens the reliance on cooling systems, fans and air conditioning units, contributing to enhanced energy efficiency. Embracing open spaces translate to easier cleaning routines. Enclosed areas often trap dust, leading to high humidity levels that can cause foster mold growth. Open floor plans minimize hidden corners, making cleaning more efficient and reducing the need for excessive electricity use. The sense of spaciousness is another significant benefit. By eliminating unnecessary doorways and widening passages between living areas, open floor plans create an illusion of more room, enhancing comfort without compromising on energy efficiency. If you're considering a new home with an open floor plan, collaborating with an experienced builder is crucial. They can seamlessly balance your preferences with the design's functionality, ensuring optimal utilization of natural light, ventilation and space. Ultimately, an energy-efficient home design harmonizes the benefits of open spaces, natural light and air circulation. The symbiotic relationship between open spaces and energy efficiency can truly create a living space that's both inviting and eco-conscious.